Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. The EOS coin for the most part is just toward the start of its excursion amazingly. It stands separated from digital currencies, both in its specialized attributes and in the size of its objectives, which is very critical. And in every way that really matters, basic demonstrating truth more than $4 billion raised during the ICO. EOS objective is to turn into an undertaking great answer for decentralized applications arrangement. The group of the task shows a truly capable way to deal with the venture's specialized documentation, media appearance, and kind of by and large presence in the business. This reality assisted the coin with acquiring consideration from a few significant financial backers and raise one of the greatest market capitalizations in the business. What is EOS and why in every way that really matters do financial backers have faith in it? The Block.one improvement group, organizer behind EOS, drove by Dan Larimer, was fortunate to persuade Parcels regarding individuals to have confidence in the venture's benefit without a doubt. All along, they declared the making of a disseminated working framework with shrewd agreements like Ethereum yet much better, in opposition to prevalent thinking. So the EOS for the most part was promptly commonly proclaimed as an ETH executioner. The idea and strategy for project execution itself were extremely alluring for clients. In the event that at one time Ethereum became a genuine forward leap and is still in truly overwhelming interest, what might really occur in the event that something like this showed up, however commonly more grounded? The task is primarily committed to giving a steady organization to genuinely decentralized applications. The engineering of EOS really is planned in a manner that permits it to offer dApps designers simple sending, overhauls and bug recuperation in an unobtrusive way. Likewise, as a blockchain network, EOS can give for the most part secure correspondence, information insurance and oversight obstruction. In any case, the coin remains broadly subject to showcase changes and Bitcoin's notoriety. It seems to be the EOS cost history follows in general market conduct, regardless of the coin's particularly protected position, as one of the significant cryptographic forms of money and huge consideration from institutional financial backers. In any case, the EOS cost forecast shows coin's promising future and solid opportunities to progress both in its cost and in its item includes. EOS cost history basically is very fruitful. Its reasonable market specialty close by specialized refinement of the group gave it economical development and positive media presence. EOS value expectations were extremely encouraging, assisting the coin with becoming one of the significant pieces of the business, which it generally stays to be right up to the present day. EOS price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of EOS costs expected in 2022, the base expense of EOS will be $1.64. The greatest level that the EOS cost can reach is $1.92. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.70, which is genuinely critical. August 2022. EOS price forecast in the center of the year 2022, the EOS cost will be exchanged at $1.50 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the EOS worth to $1.62. It is expected that the cost won't drop most certainly lower than $1.45 in August 2022 in a significant manner. EOS price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined EOS costs in 2022, so they most certainly are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $1.53. The least and pinnacle EOS rates may be $1.46 and $1.70, which is very critical. October 2022. EOS price forecast. Crypto experts in every practical sense expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the EOS cost will sort of be around $1.59. In October 2022, the EOS cost might drop to at least $1.52. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.77 in October 2022. EOS price forecast for November 2022. Having examined EOS costs, digital money specialists truly expect that the EOS rate could arrive at a limit of $1.85 in November 2022, in opposition to mainstream thinking. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $1.60, or so they thought. For November 2022, the determined exceptionally normal of EOS is almost $1.65. December 2022. EOS price forecast. Around mid-2022, the EOS cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.70. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the EOS cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $1.92. EOS price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of EOS in earlier years, it essentially is expected that in 2023, the base cost of EOS will be around $2.37 in an unobtrusive manner. The greatest expected EOS cost might be around $2.85. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.45 in 2023. EOS price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of EOS, in 2024, EOS is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $3.57 and $4.14, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $3.67. EOS price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money especially have examined the costs of EOS and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the by and large least EOS cost could drop to $5.09, while its most certainly greatest can reach $6.18. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $5.28, incredibly. EOS price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of EOS by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least EOS costs are normal in 2026. $8.64 and $7.45. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $7.67. EOS price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of EOS. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical EOS cost will truly be around $11.25, which is very huge. It could drop to at least $10.86, however it actually could especially reach